Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn about modified tools in AutoCAD. The first tool is move. Move command. To start the move command from the command line, type M and press enter. To move object, select any object you wish to move and press enter. 2 points need to be clicked, the move from point or base point and the move to point. We will see this in software. First of all, I will draw a circle. If I want to move this circle, first take move command, select object, enter, specify base point and give the distance at which you want to move the object. Next command is copy. Take a command, select the object, press enter, specify base point and give the distance at which you want to copy the object. Next is stretch command. Take a command, select object, press enter, then specify base point and give the distance. Our next command is rotate command. Take a command, select the object, press enter, give specify point and rotate the object at which angle you want. Okay, next command is mirror. Select the object, press enter, give base point and mirror it. The option will erase source object. If you want the source object, then click no, and if you want to erase the source object, then click S. Next command is scale. Select object, enter, scaling is done. Next, trim. Extend. Take a command, then offset. Offset, specify offset distance. Select object, offset it. Next is array. First we will see rectangular array. Select object, enter. Here we can change number of columns. I will take it as 5 and rows 4. Okay, this is a rectangular array. Now we will see path array. Select object, enter, give the path. First I will draw path. Okay, take a command, select object, select path. Okay.